Giant waves at the pier. Really, really giant waves. Look what they've done to our beach. This used to be, well, not as much of a hill.
6 to 13.
6 to 13 foot waves tonight.
Local up to 15.
Jesus Christ, are you kidding me? I guess so. This is for you, Dave. Surf this, bitch.
Strong with current.
Oh God, my
You'll be okay.
It wouldn't be very entertaining otherwise, would it? If I wasn't standing directly in the line of the wave with my relatively new sneakers.
Yeah.
I did not expect to see this when we came down here. I didn't think it was still going like this badly. Yeah, for the record, the water really never reaches the bottom of that pier like it is right now. Look, Bob.
Yeah.